Hey, good afternoon. I'm Suhan. Today, as our assignment, I will try to talk about two example from example 9.9 and example 9.15, and then let's at first talk about example 9.9. As it's shown that following program generator a square wave on P1.5 continuously using timer one and then time delay, and then find the frequency square wave if XTAL 11.0592 megahertz, like that. And here is the code, and we don't need to make it so long, that's why I already written my code here. So this is our code, and then let's try to run the code at first. Okay, then debug. Okay, debug the code. At first, we are trying to debug the code. Yeah, successfully we divided our debugged our code, and as usual, is JMP start here. So at first, we can make it like as they're shown here, P1.5. We need to put a oscilloscope in P1.5. And then let's try to take the pin from here. Sorry, from here, oscilloscope. Okay, we put it. Sorry, I need to stop it at first. We will take a oscilloscope and then connect to it from P1.5. We don't need it. We will try to connect from P1.5 to uh, here. Let's make it a little bit zoom, and then we can run it. So and then we can run the file, and then as it's shown, we can see here P, it's red and blue, that means it's running. But we can see the oscilloscope digital meter, then debug it, and then digital oscilloscope. Now we can see here, yeah, it's running, right? So the code is running, and then we can debug it line by line. Let's do, sorry, I need to stop it at first. All right, and then we can come here and debug the line. Okay, let's debug the code line by line, and then as usual jump start, and then start here, move the mode 10. As we know before, how to say, no, it's like a timer one and mode one, 16 bit, as we you shown us in our list, to how to get the timer mode, timer one, timer zero, and mode one, mode zero, like that. So and then come next line, it's again move TL1 34 hex, and move TH1 76 hex. These two, as usual, we know these two is value of timer register, right? So this two is value of timer register as usual, and then we can go for set btr1. So set btr1, we can start our timer one, and then back to the jnb, means jump if the specific byte not set, right? We can come here. Sorry, I made mistake here. Okay, no, jnb tf1 back, that means we can say here our till timer rolls over. And then the next line we can see, okay, at first, is it all right? Oh, it's not running. No. Okay, so as you shown before here, CLR TR1 is stop timer one, and then P1.5, as we know before, we need to connect it to get the load register here, and then CLR TF1. And but this SJMP is like short jump to again. We need to come back again here, and then there's the way you need to, it will make a loop, and then we can see the result in our oscilloscope here, like that. So this like a loop, it's timer going on like that. And if we want to show the digital oscilloscope, then we can see from here. So there's the first one, right?